Hello, good morning, student. After definition of matter, now we will discuss today classification of matter. However, modern day scientists have evolved two types of classification of matter on the basis of their properties. These are as follows. First, physical classification. It is based on physical properties like matter has been classified as solids, liquid, and gases. Second part, chemical classification. It is based on chemical properties. That is, matter has been classified as elements, compounds, and mixtures. Now we discuss about physical nature of matter. It means how type of physical nature of matter. About physical nature, we can say that matter is made up of particles. Particles. This demonstrates that matter is not continuous, but it is made up of small or teeny particles. In fact, all matter in this universe is made up of small or teeny particles. We can study via experiment to know that the matter is made up of particles. Let us take 100 milliliter beaker and fill it half with water and mark the level of water. Now dissolve some salt or sugar with the help of a glass rod and observe the change in the water level. We will find that the level of water remains the same. The salt or sugar crystals seems to be disappear. When salt or sugar dissolve in water, teeny particles break off from salt or sugar crystal and spread on their own into the space between water particles. This shows that both salt or sugar and water are made up of very small or teeny particles. So it shows that matter is made up of teeny particles. Thank you. Now we discuss characteristic of particles of matter. The particles of matter have the following three characteristics according to kinetic theory of matter. First, particles of matter have space between them. In this, we have already seen that the particles of sugar, salt, potassium permanganate or Dettol disappear when put into water. That is, they got evenly distributed in water. According to experiment, as soon as sugar is put into water, small particles break off from each solid sugar granule and go into space between the particles of water and form a homogeneous solution. These spaces are known as interparticle space or voids. Second, particles of matter are continuously moving. About this, we have learned about that the matter is made up of extremely small or teeny particles which are separated from one another by interparticle spaces or voids. Then a question arises into our mind is that are these particles stationary or are they moving continuously? In order to answer this question, let us perform the following experiment, like put an unlit incense like agarbatti in a corner of your classroom. You will observe that you have to go very close to it to get its smell. Now light the incense stick. You will observe that you will get smell while sitting at a distance from the stick. That is, the fragrance of incense stick quickly spread into whole room. The fragrance produced due to burning of incense stick is due to movement of gaseous vapors produced rapidly in all direction. This intermixing of particles of two different types of matter on their own is known as diffusion. This is also known as the definition of diffusion. So we can say that particles of matter are continuously moving. Thank you.